I don't know about you, but we can do a good thing today. But hey there, hello there, Panda Queen. How you doing? How you doing today? Good start of a life. Right here. Tell you what. Well, hey there. I must thank you for the diligent repayment of your home loan again. Yes. Yes. Must ask. Were your parents by any chance motivated by any desire for expansion? Because you know what that means. More loans. Because if so, I have good news. I would be more than happy to extend your credit further. Construction. Dude, please come see me if you like to discuss the details more. That's all you have to say to us, Duck. How dare you? Anyways, hello. What's today? 2 days in a row. 80 bonus miles. What have you been doing? I don't know. What have you been doing? Anyways. We were just gonna deposit our friggin' money. I know, Nook. We don't want to talk to you yet. We don't got time for expansioning of our house so quickly. Oh yeah, we already bought that. Yeah, we bought that, but it's in reservation. And that's there for some odd reason. I wouldn't question it. I wasn't. So yeah. Bye, Duck. Carrying around. Here's Beardo. This guy's here for some odd reason. Well, Jim, have a look. No rush. No rush at all, man. I'm just here all day. Here all day. That's the thing for the stuff my book. While we took away all of our money. Do we really need that backpack for him, Sonic? Technically, no. Did we do it for out of the fun? Yes. But we're not gonna do it this season. But what we need to do is actually get all of the staff members' clothing together. But the funny thing is, we got the pants, we got the shoes. I don't think we have. Did he wear glasses? Yeah. Yeah, he wore glasses. He wore yellow glasses. I don't think we got the glasses yet. But what we really need is the staff member shirt. That's what we need to complete him. But then again, who's to say other things? And also, good job of dodging that take away stuff thing from Beardo. Speaking of, he's gonna be moving in tomorrow. You guys want to see that? We could totally do it today. Okay. Got it here. No cicadas. I got plenty of cicadas in the bug collection today. Also, we said collected most of the seashells here. But they do it alright for themselves. Oh, they went by. How nice. Hey, we only need 2 more curls and we can have our collection pretty complete. I got so many of your socks done. Let's get out of here. Also, this hair beret here that we bought today. We bought all the hair berets of this species, type. This one's gonna go to Blanc. That's if we can find her and Cranston. Yes! Where that DJ boy Cranston? Got here. Also, I moved Blair's things that we're gonna be collecting for Blair. I moved them here. She gets her own collection spot. So she's our little kitten that we call her in the movies. And also, yeah, this stuff's still here. Oh, hey, look. Oh, look. We have a sword. We have no idea what we're gonna do with it, but okay. Maybe we'll put a funny thing when we actually get the stuff to actually properly paint the floor or ground. Like with stone and stuff. Yeah? Don't worry, you already got the money rock today. Hopkins, our boy, how you doing? Hey, you wanted to talk to us. Good. Hi! I want you to have this here garden tank. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but you can have it. I won this thing in a giveaway. I don't know how I got it in a giveaway, but I already had one. What a shame. The bugs living in my floor said, you might like it. So here you go. Those bugs are usually right down. You don't say. Thank you, Hopkins. Your second best bunny boy. Right. Francine's home. Let's see what Francine's doing. Yeah, Francine, what you doing? What you up to? Chilling? Drinking some coffee? Or tea? However you want to prefer it. I think this is tea. It smells like tea. I love tea. And also the bookshelf that we ironically gave her. She put it here and said she could have automatically put here or here. But she put it to walk around it. It's funny. That is very funny. Too bad we can't. Oh, heck. I always sit down at my wooden end table to do my skincare regime. Or regime. I don't know. Lining up one of my various products and performing each careful steps. Meditative for me. Just as you water a flower to maintain its beauty. So you must moisturize your skin, Carrot. You don't say, thanks. Also, try to go to shower. Ha ha. I think it's watering more than your bathtub. I think it's getting your floor wet. What do I know? That's a shower for you. And you put your towels way too high up on the freaking wall here. You could at least put it right next to the bathtub. You silly girl. I guess this is what she does in her off time. You would think. We'll leave. Bye. Have a good day, Francine. Have a good day. So that was Francine's house today. Because look, I got all these bugs waiting for Flick. And we're going to give it to all of them because he deserves it. Something also we needed to do, Sonic. Was there? I don't remember. But hey, look. Almost time for 3 o'clock. Isn't that great? You stand right here. Man, it's 3 o'clock slow today. You were saying? Excellent. I don't know about you, Kaboxy, but stuff. What were we doing? Oh yeah. I think those are the cool ones. No, it's not happening, no. Keep your takeover for yourself. Kaboxy thinks he can take over the silent. Fat chance. means. I don't know about you guys. It's up to yourself. Stuff. What do you think, so Mr. Fish? Matter of fact, we're gonna catch you. See what you are. Miss. Yay! Zebra, turkey, fish, land, air, water. Make up your mind. Right. That's basically all we wanted to do today. Wait, also we gotta see Beardo's house. Let's see Beardo's house. You're the friend of our island. Let's give a big primrose welcome to Beardo. Congrats, Beardo. I'm sure you'll enjoy island life here. And by the time we'll get back to supporting you and your enjoyment of our island. Yay! Alright, he's in his house. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh! Nice place you got here, Beardo. Very chic. Yeah. It's like an office detective place stuff. Even though it's not a detective. But it looks like it is, but it's not. Very chic. Very chic. Now, what you building there, Beardo? Who could imagine that a little camper would lead to this? You remember, right? Inviting me to move here very persuasively when we were hanging out at the campsite. Yeah, I remember. Well, so far, Primrose totally delivers. This place is paradise, and it's not overcrowded with wannabe pumpkin pie chefs yet. What the heck does that even mean? That's an insult and a half. My gosh. I'm the first one. Yay. What you building though? Oh, Panda Queen. Welcome to the house of Beardo. What you doing? What you doing? Glad you asked. I'm just making an iron wall shack. I don't know if you know it or not, but whatever. The recipe came to be in a dream last night. I'll tell you what. Even though I don't have a bed here, I might as well sleep on the couch. Though some do. You want to hear more about it? Either the dream or the iron wall rack. Yeah. Uh-oh, I already forgot my dream, but that's alright. I have the recipe written down right here. You can have it. There you go. Give it a try, Panda Queen. If I can make this, anyone can. Thank you, Beardo. We'll learn it right in front of your house. There you go. Sweet! We learned how to build an iron wall rack. Well, yeah, again, nice place you got here. It's very chic. It's very office-like. Even though Raymond's house was totally better. Well, all I'm saying is that we got dip. Bye, Beardo. See you when we see you. I don't know when, how, why, where, but don't matter. So yeah, that was Beardo's house. Yay. Again, stuff. Wrong button. We're gonna sit in the flowers and say our goodbyes. Oh yeah. Oh, right. I want those tails. Yeah. And there's the knuckles. Yeah, man. Get hungry. I'm gonna eat a snack. Yeah, I'm gonna make some cookies. Anyways, it's Amy. Can't you reach for the cookies, Knuckles? Nah, man. Nah, I'm hungry right now. I'm getting a snack. Okay. But the cookies are being baked today. Cream's helping. Can't wait for that, honey. Anyways, this is Sonic. Have a good day. Try not to hurt yourself or anybody. Sometimes I wish we can swim in the rivers. That's just a me thing. Hi, Phil. Tired of using the same old reactions? Well, you're in luck. Random acting lesson time with your host, Phil. Okay, let's say you want to look self-satisfied, but in a charming movie star kind of way. I got just the thing. Grease up those teeth and get ready to smile wide, just like this. Yay! Phil, we knew you'd come through with a yay! Yay! You got Blair's reaction. Yay! This is the reaction we always use for Blair. Yes, Phil, you legend. We love you. You'll find that smirking exudes just the right amount of confidence. Use it well, Herc. Yes! What a saying. I learned the smirking reaction. You ain't seen nothing yet. Especially when we find Blair. Bye, Phil. 'Cause yes.